should learn to carry a knife on me. What's going on, everybody? Jason from Chicago Auto Pros, and today we're going to do a little bit of a different style video. We've never done this before. We're going to do kind of a review or a box opening video for you guys. We've had a bunch of people send us some stuff, which I'm grateful for. I really appreciate it. We have a few things that we're going to do reviews. I'm going to do separate videos for these. If there's anything that you guys have, if there's anybody out there that makes products or has anything that they would like us to review, I'll put some information down below that you can send us or email me if you got something or a product. We'd love to do a video about it. The video we're doing today is on the detail rig, Mychanic.
As we started editing the video, I realized that I called this stool several different names, which it is not. It's called Mychanic, the detailing rig. You can find it on mychanic.com. Just ignore everything I call this stool, which is not its right name.
It is a detailing stool, a rolly chair, and excited to get this out because we have a bunch of rolling chairs around the shop, and usually they're just crap. They break, the wheels fall off. So I'm excited to have something, a real quality type of stool. I've always had this philosophy: if you have to sit down to do a job, you're probably doing it wrong. But as I've gotten older, I've realized that my body hurts and it's old, and if I can sit down comfortable and do a job where I can sit on a rolling chair and make it easier for myself, I'm going to take advantage of that. So let's get into it. This is Mychanic detailing rig. All right, we're going to get unboxing this, and I've already opened it up to kind of look in there. I haven't opened it all up, but this is a detailing stool rig. This actually has a bucket connected to it, a wash bucket for washing. So this is probably meant for in the wash bay, doing wheels and washes and whatever you need to do in there. This is $100. It's $99.95. You can go to mychanic.com. That's where they have it. And let's see this. This would be really nice if it's all put together for us and we don't have to screw a bunch of stuff together, but we'll see. Let's open her up. All right, yep, looks like we're putting it together. All right, to put this together, it looks like you're gonna need a number 17 wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. We've had a lot of these rolling carts throughout the shop, throughout the years. Harbor Freight, we've got a lot of them from Harbor Freight, a couple from Amazon. I really like these ones we have that have they're like doctor cushions. It's nice for your butt, it's nice and comfy. But most of them end up falling apart pretty quickly. You know, within a few months, especially the Harbor Freight ones, the seats will fall off, the wheels will fall off, so we go through them pretty fast. I'm excited to have this and see if it stands up any longer. All right, so we're putting the plates in, the holders, I guess, for your feet. Put those together. Looks like these are locking nuts, so that's nice. You know, they're not going to rattle off. This is a beer holder. Not bad. I only have one extra screw. Not sure where that goes. Well, there it is. That wasn't bad to put together. Would that take us 5 minutes? And there she is. She's got a couple bottle holders. The seat comes off, so if you want to use this as a kneeling pad, so you can sit on it or kneel on it, that's cool. If you got to get really down, really low on a vehicle, you just take this off and kneel on it. This is a wash bucket. I don't know how much we'll use this or if we'll even use it in the wash bay, but I imagine this is just going to end up being putting product or towels in. Let's go see how it works. You want to test her out? There's no reason you leave. Pee in the bucket. Soda holder for water or soda. Oh yeah, you can put your compound bar on there. 5 wheels, so it turns nice. I'm not actually gonna work. I'm just gonna pretend like I'm working. Woo! All right, there she is, Mychanic detailing rig all put together. We rolled around it a little bit. It's very smooth, very nice. Casters seem like they're heavy duty. So we'll use it throughout our shop. It'll stand the test of time here. You can go check out mychanic.com. They have different versions of this stool. They have one with drawers on it. This one here, the wash rig, the detail rig, is $99.95 on their website. So go check them out. Tell me how I did on this review. Unboxing, it's my first one. Not many specs to tell you on this one, but we got some other products, exciting stuff coming up, so stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time. There's no reason you leave. Pee in the bucket.